In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage orders in the Squarespace mobile app. By the end, you'll feel confident reviewing orders on the go and keeping your store running smoothly from your phone. First, open the Squarespace mobile app and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct site. If you manage more than one, you can switch sites from the site selector at the top. A reliable internet connection helps the app load orders and save changes without delays. Once you're in, head to the Commerce or Orders area. Depending on your app version, this may be labeled Commerce or simply Orders. Here, you'll see your order list, typically sorted with the most recent at the top. You can tap the search or filter options to quickly find what you need, such as pending or fulfilled orders. Open the order you want to manage. This takes you to a detailed view of that order. Take a moment to review the customer information to confirm the shipping name and address and make sure contact details look correct in case you need to follow up. Check the product details, including item names, variants like size or color, quantities, and any discounts. Then look over the payment details so you know whether the order has been paid, the method used, and the transaction status. Verifying these sections helps you avoid mistakes before you move anything forward. If something needs attention, update the order status, fulfillment, or notes. For physical items, you can mark the order as fulfilled when it's ready to ship. If you have tracking information, add the tracking number and carrier so customers can follow their package. For local pickup or delivery, choose the appropriate fulfillment option your store supports. For digital products, confirming fulfillment may be as simple as marking the item delivered after you've sent access. If you need to capture a quick reminder for yourself or teammates, add a note. Notes are typically internal and help keep your workflow organized, like documenting packaging details or a brief customer request. When you're done, save your changes. Look for a save button, a check mark, or a similar confirmation control. Waiting for the confirmation helps ensure your updates stick and any customer notifications tied to status changes are sent correctly. Repeat this process for other orders in your store. Using filters and search can speed things up, and pulling down to refresh the list ensures you're seeing the latest updates. With these steps, you can stay on top of your orders anywhere, anytime, right from the Squarespace mobile app.